have you soaked in all this attention and the success that has come with Border 2?
Honestly, I'm still soaking it in. It's taking me time to process all of it, but it's a very, very happy, positive, and overwhelming phase.
Absolutely. But what is your mechanism to deal with success? Because हमें usually life में failures के साथ deal करने सिखाया जाता है, but ज़्यादातर nobody ever teaches us how to deal with success.
Great question. Great question. I haven't actually ever thought about this question because dealing with failures, though, I think happens with trial and error, and we all
Right.
learn as we go. Dealing with success is something that I'm honestly still learning. Like, for example, right now, I don't know how to deal with this. I'm not equipped enough. मुझे किसी ने बताया नहीं था कि अच्छा ऐसा होता है. तो this is the mechanism. This is what you do step by step. And I guess I'm just figuring it out, but I'm dealing with it. More than dealing, I think the right word for me in this context would be reeling from it. Like I'm still absorbing all of it and processing all of it. And it's just such a good feeling. I haven't had this exact feeling before, so it's
But does it also get overwhelming at
it
times?
does. At times, yeah, it's been overwhelming only ever since it came on, ever since the last to last.
Right.
It's been very, very overwhelming.
A film like Border, it in itself comes with so much of weightage because it's been such an iconic name in Indian cinema also. When this film was offered to you, what was your reaction?
I was over the moon. I was crying. I got to know about this at a very later stage of my audition process. And I finally had a meeting with our casting director, Mukesh Sir, and Anurag for our director. And I was called to meet both of them, and they broke the news to me together. And they told me that congratulations, you're doing this, you're on board. And like the whole of me couldn't believe it. I just couldn't wrap my head around the fact that I cracked this, like this to be a part of a story like this. I just couldn't believe it. And I instantly, tap, my asu. This won't stop. And I remember my mom was the first person that I got on. I got to know this. And it was very emotional, very special.
Absolutely.
Disbelief.
You auditioned for two roles, if I'm not wrong.
I did audition for the Punjabi character, which was opposite
Diljit, yeah.
and the Haryana one with Karan. So I auditioned for both. When I got shortlisted only for one, I think it suited me more than the Punjabi.
But is there some Haryani connection? Because your accent in the film is bang on.
Thank you so much. I worked on it. I don't speak in
Okay.
Punjabi, but yes, I belong to Haryana, which is why I guess I'm looking also the part after wearing my entire costume. Honestly, the first time that I wore it in the look test and I saw myself in the mirror, I was like, wow, I am my roots. Like that's where I belong. This is who I've been all along. I've just not seen myself in that life.
Right.
Which is of course ancestors have stayed and grown up in villages. My mom was born in a village in Haryana. So luckily me and my sister, of course, moved around with my father who was still serving. And we never had the chance to live in a village, but we grew up speaking Hindi and English primarily.
Okay.
मैंने कभी हरियाणवी बोली नहीं
Acha.
बड़े होते हुए. But of course, when this happened, I took a lot of help from my mom, my nani, and sat with them and translated my entire Hindi script to Haryanvi, and I would sit with them, voice record their आवाज कि भाई आप जैसे बोलते हो तो वो सीखी the लहजा, the exact diction because it's tricky. It's not easy.
Yeah.
पंजाबी फिर भी कर पाते हैं लोग because एक typical way होता है पंजाबी बोलने का but हरियाणवी का क्या है ना the dialect differs from area and then to crack the exact dialect that people used to speak back in the day in 71 के time पे was the real challenge. So I think both my family was very instrumental.
And how long did you take to perfect it?
Took me a while. It took me a while.